And what's that do?
So this is called a phasma box, and I can't remember who developed it, but we use it a lot. You download it on a tablet, and you make sure that you are not Wi-Fi, and you put it on airplane mode so it can't connect to anything. And it has a word base downloaded in it. So the whole thought process is that a spirit can go into this when you're asking questions and be able to respond to you with intelligent answers.
All right, so think of some good questions.
That was a
Really?
beautiful
That was a good
question,
one.
Lara.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you do now?
Oh,
Please don't.
please don't.
Yeah.
Lara, it just said please don't before.
Stop touching the drawer, is that what you
No,
said?
it just said please don't.
Let me see if I can get it up high enough. So this is, so you would be able to ask questions and see if anything comes through. So the whole thought is if there are spirits
Like
around.
why are they here? Like why haven't they moved on? Why are they here?
Good question.
Did he say because I don't wanna?
Yeah.
Alright, good night.
So is anyone here with us? Can you tell us your name? Tim?
I couldn't make that one out.
Tim? Jim? Didn't it sound like that?
Oh, Tim. He just said it.
Did he?
Yeah, he said Tim. How old are you? Are you a child or an adult?
He don't like Jeff.
Yeah.
I'm out.
Are you scared?
Are you a child or an adult?
Oh, it sounded like a child, didn't it?
I couldn't tell.
How many are here with us?
Oh, that's your shit there. How many are in this house?
What's so funny?
Does it say let me sit there or something?
You don't want to sit in this one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that one's got issues. Are we in your house?
Ask him why he's here.
Can I sit in this chair?
Get Larry?
No.
Oh, that just vibrated the whole table.
Yeah, that did. That was kind of weird.
I'm not sitting in that chair.
Tim,
I think he said sit.
Yeah, sit.
did he?
Yeah, he said sit.
He said sit.
There's somebody really great help.
Is somebody what?
Something
I've
grateful.
never heard it say that many words in
So
a sentence.
clear.
Oh, Jesus
What?
Christ.
I was out there doing my phone. It stopped working. My
Really?
Facebook won't work.
I'm getting goosebumps, man.
That's why I stood up to come here.
Who is
Like,
this?
Nothing's working.
I don't know. Where are you from?
Can Chris sit in the seat?
Are you from Crisfield, Maryland?
Are you alone?
Do you watch me pee when I go to the bathroom?
Why are you still here in this house? Can you say that again? Are you still with us, Tim?
Cool. You're letting me.
Who else is here with you?
I didn't like that one.
It is a little spooky.
Can you say that again? Sound like really? How many living people are in this room right now? How many?
Sound like monkeys, didn't it?
Yeah, spider monkeys.
How many females are in this room right now?
You better say 2.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey everybody, so we had a little technical difficulty. The camera we were using after we had that basically a sentence come out that we couldn't understand, the camera shut off, and then Chris's cell phone, he was on Facebook, and that just automatically stopped, correct?
Stopped working.
Stopped
And then I
working.
went to
And Instagram.
that would load, but I couldn't do nothing.
Yeah, you couldn't do anything.
And then Snapchat would load, but I couldn't do nothing.
Yeah, so
So it just
there's kind of
froze.
weird stuff going on right now, so we went to the GoPro right now, so hopefully we can.
Because it drained the battery of the phone. I mean, of the camera. that you were
No,
using.
No, it
Well-
just quit.
It just,
Oh,
yeah, well, it just said something about overheating.
Overheating.
But I don't
We're all
understand
sitting
why
there
it would do
basically
that
air
in
conditioning.
yeah.
inside.
Right.
Yeah, so if you are hearing some static, there are like window air
There's air
conditioners
conditioners running
on.
all over. There's one there, there's one there, one there. I
And
mean,
we would all die of heat stroke if we
Right,
turned them
right.
off. All right, so I'm going to turn it back
turn
on.
it back on and see if we can get some clarity
Let's
on what
see.
this dude is.
Is it back on again?
Yeah, now it says 85%.
So now
it's
this
been
camera
drained.
is going crazy, and we don't know why.
Okay, so if it just cuts off, it just cuts off.
Well,
Because
There's
the
nothing I can do
whole
about it.
idea is when stuff like this happens, spirit is trying to draw energy to do something.
When it goes
To
from 97
appear-
to 85% in a matter of a second.
Yeah,
that's
like I
kinda
have
weird.
goosebumps right now.
All right, flick this thing down.
Okay.
on there.
Yeah, because I don't know how long this is going to go.
All right. So, Miss Staples, what's the name of your dog? Did you out?
What?
It
That's
was,
a female's voice.
yeah. It was tiny and
Lolly.
I don't think it said Lolly.
Is Tiny
I
and
don't know.
Lolly here also?
No, I got chills.
Woof, woof. Yeah, that's weird.
It did kind of sound like
Yeah.
that. Can you bark for us?
Is this normal? The screen went blank. But
No,
it still
I've never
says
seen
it's
that before.
recording.
Usually I can release, erase it.
Are you messing with our camera? No?
Yes.
Yes.
That's what that said.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my God!
Dude, I have goosebumps, man.
So-
Are you here with us? Can you tell us your name? Can you make the pretty lights go off or make it sound?
You say maybe?
I don't know. If you put your hand or
Now
foot,
it is.
Oh.
if you put your hand or foot or step near that small box on the step, it'll light up and then sometimes it'll make a sound. Can you touch it? Is that what it said?
Is that like
Yes, it's sitting on the step.
the bedroom step?
It's round.
If you, Mr. Lavalette, can you talk to us?
Somewhat.
Yeah.
It keeps saying it's going on. It's at 129. It keeps acting like it's print,
Still
Well,
going,
we'll
right?
see.
Mr. Lavalette, what type of aquatic life did you use to make your millions or your money, your fortune?
All right, what type of soup did you make?
If it says terrapin, I'm friggin' done. What's another word for turtle? What's this house called?
It's hard to understand.
Yeah. What color shirt does Jeff have on? It sounded like it said yellow or something.
Yeah, it's okay. You're close.
Close enough.
Okay, I know that you're in the spirit world, but can you talk a little clearer for us? We're like making up our own words here of what you're actually saying. If you could talk clear, we would appreciate it.
Listen how polite he's being.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty please.
Pretty please. I'm trying to be polite.
Can you say one of our names?
Annette.
Coachella. Musketeer.
There's one other person. There's one other person who is not here at the moment. Can you say her name? Is that? It didn't say Diana.
Sound like Mariah.
Yeah.
Mariah Carey.
I think they're joking.
And they're
with us.
laughing.
Yeah, they're laughing at
Yeah, it's because some college kid over in some other country.
me. Yeah, in Samoa.
What town are we in?
So are the spirits that come through on that, do they have to be here
Coming
or can
out?
they be in any any place?
I mean, sometimes they just move through.
Like, I mean, like, is there anybody there that knows us?
Yeah, that's a good question.
Did you phrase that as a question?
I think-
Yeah.
like Jeopardy.
Oh,
What
Does
does
it
it
say
say?
dead? Huh?
What did it say?
I thought it said like dead. No.
But again, this is not connected to the Wi-Fi.
No, it is
this
not. It's on
connected-
airplane mode. See a little airplane?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So it's not on Wi-Fi. Did it say Diana? That was very clear. I thought it said that.
Well, hopefully, if this is recording, I'll hear it in the playback.
Yeah.
Right now she's floating above her bed.
Yeah.
Larry!
You see me run downstairs? See what that
Hug me!
Larry be like, we're out of here. We'll be like, where's Diana? I don't know.
is? All you're gonna hear is downstairs.
They got just packed up.
Oh my God.
How many cars are in the driveway?
Are you tired of being asked these stupid ass questions?
What's your name? What state are we from? The four of us, or wait, four of us, the five of us who are in the room. Virus threat protection.
Oh God, now we got freaking ghost viruses. God, now we.
Do you know what state we're from? Bring us back.
Are you friendly?
Are you female?
I don't know what that meant.
Hold it. Wasn't somebody like a male?
There's
and
more than one.
Dressed up like a female? Which one was that?
Who?
Who was in the house that dressed up like a female? It was a male. Or a male or a female that dressed up like male.
Matthew?
There was a Matthew. That was one of her sons.
Oh, really? I don't remember his. Oh, that when they were on the ship.
Yeah, wasn't it Matthew?
Matthew, are you in the house right now? Yep. Mm-hmm. Yep.
Matthew, do you know you're dead?
Say,
Now I
"Fuck you."
do. Do you mind?
I said, "Fuck you." I'm sorry.
What year did you die? Say in this house.
He could have said anything just then.
Yeah, true.
How old are the spirits? Do they know how old they were when they?
So
What did they just say?
I don't know.
Terry.
So how old are you?
Well, that's a good question.
Is that what it said?
Good question.
Can you say that again?
I'm having a hard time believing that you're there unless you go over to that round
Like
thing on
that-
the step
Yep.
and touch that thing.
Light that stinking light up.
Can someone come visit us to let us know that you're here? And there is a small instrument on the step that if you go near it, touch it, kick it, pick it up, it will light up and it may sound. Put the temperature gauge over there, see if it changes. Temperature.
78.
Pretty rough solid, 78.
Can you touch it? I don't know, guys.
Yep, I don't think they're not cooperating.
They're not cooperating today.
Well, thank you so much for speaking with us. We appreciate it. And you have a wonderful day.
What they always say to shipwrecked people, hope you can tread water. Yeah, we did it. They laughed.
Thank you.
You're welcome.